Hello guys, welcome to Nissan for Exotics. You're in front of the treat. It's not the carrot treat actually. So we are in front of Unipart. And Unipart is one of the biggest companies in Qatar that deals with spare parts. So as you know, each and every car project that you're gonna start in your life, you have to choose the spare parts first, buy them, collect them, and then bring them to the garage. And actually we went to the garage, we have the list, we came here with the list. Actually we called them 1 hour before. So they have everything set up for us, and we are waiting for more parts to come for the car. And the fact of the matter is, they're gonna bring it to the garage, thanks to them. And as I told you, they are so far the biggest supporter in this video. And in a way, they are sponsoring this video because the discount that they gave us is so huge. We will try and meet someone from their side soon so we can get you guys something special. Everyone that comes to them and tells them like we are from 974 Exotics, and they will get a special discount. So besides that, Unipart, just a small history about the business. Okay, as you can see, Anupam show them, they are dealing with Japanese, Korean, and American cars. They have genuine parts on the left, and they have aftermarket parts on the right. And American cars, mostly genuine parts, but in the other brands you can say that they have aftermarket and genuine. So this building is one of the biggest buildings they have. They have 10 branches, and this building is located, it's very easy, Al Wakalat Street. Okay, so the main street in the industrial area, and then they are located between the street of 16 and 17, so they have the whole block. They have another branch which is on the 15th, also Al Wakala Street, and man, it only sells body parts. Yes, they are aftermarket, but only body parts. I think I'm gonna need them for other projects on the Nissan. And I mean, that's about it. Let's go inside, let's check the spare parts that they prepared for us. So in our case, we only took genuine parts. You know, it's my dad's car, so we need to. Thank you, bro. Thank you. And I mean, when it comes to genuine parts, as you can see, they deal in Toyota, parts and accessories for Nissan, Infiniti, I mean, you name it, Lexus. Because most of the guys in Qatar, when they are restoring their cars, they really need genuine parts. It's just, I mean, it gives them more comfort knowing that they have genuine parts,
and it gives the car more value when they
exactly. Yeah, exactly. It gives the car more value when you resell it. And these are some of the spare parts: the motor oil, some spark plugs, the air, the filter, oil filter, and we are waiting for other parts. You have the joints here. What do we call these parts in English? The bushes. The bushes. Spark plugs. I mean, you name it, they have it. So they're getting everything well ready for us, and they're gonna take it to the garage. And by all means, we're gonna meet them another time soon. Let's go. Actually, we're going to the garage. No, we're not going to the garage. We're going to CarPro first to check on the interior of the car, and then we're gonna go to the garage and so on. Hello guys. So we are back in CarPro to check on the progress. They literally opened everything, and they're working on the interior. Just check this beauty out. They just finished this car. It's a Lexus LX 570. I mean, look at this. This is just immaculate. I mean, the orange interior gives the car another feel. The owner allowed us to shoot this. MashaAllah, that's crazy. I mean, this is Car Pro for you guys. This is amazing, mashallah. Looks very sexy. Very, 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 very sexy. Mashallah. Let's go check our baby. Let's give you a sneak peek of things that they do. These are all the parts. This is the headliner, the seats. This is the rear part, the rear panels. This is another rear panel. I mean, sneak peek on the color. And here they are working on the front seats and the back seats. There are some things that I'm gonna cancel, Nasser. Give me the table. So the table I'm gonna cancel because the Safari and the Super Safari, they come with this table. If I'm not mistaken, I'm gonna cancel it because no one uses these things anymore. I mean, they looked good in the beginning, but now, thank you, Nasser. So we will cancel this from the back, and we will only keep the bucket. So yeah, this is just a sneak peek, and man, their way of doing things is just immaculate, mashallah. Turn it so we can see. Just turn it. I mean, look at the details. This is just crazy. Thank you. So yeah, we're gonna be heading out, and we'll keep you updated on the process. But mashallah, this car is something else. And God bless the car for the owner. This is just simply amazing, mashallah. Another sneak peek. Let's head out. So guys, now we are in Fabtex. It's our first time working with them. We have the material. It's from the armrest and the headrest, and they're gonna custom our logo on it and another logo that we're gonna show you when we do the inauguration of the car, just as a surprise. We're gonna even do a small showcase for you so that you can see how they are gonna do our logo on this. Let's go. Assalamu alaikum, Mr. Azza. This is for you. So this is the mic.
Thank you.
Keep it close to your heart. So, Azam, he works here since how many years now?
3 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
And this business is open since when?
Since 5 years.
5
It's been
years.
5 years, yeah.
Okay, cool. We already chose the design. He's well, he is the designer. He's the one who's doing everything. So basically, we chose the design. You told us to do the border in black.
Yeah.
We chose the colors,
Yes.
so the white and the burgundy for the Qatari flag. So this is your baby now.
Yeah.
We're gonna shoot a mini showcase
No problem.
to show the process from A to Z.
Yeah.
It takes, so the setup of the machines takes how much time?
20 to 25 minutes.
Okay, and the design itself to be put on?
Around 20 minutes.
Okay.
Within 40 minutes we can finish the work.
Cool. So this is the first part. The second part is the part that you're gonna have to wait for when we inaugurate the car in Qatar Custom Show 2023. Let's go.
Thank you. Let's go.
So for those who are wondering, these are the two headrests. The two in the back, we're not gonna do anything on them. Not yet, at least. It's gonna be too much logos inside. It's gonna suffocate the car, I think, interior. So these are the fronts. We're gonna put the 974 Exotics logo, and Elzam actually gave us the idea. Rather than doing the borders in white and whatnot, we're gonna do the borders in black and the colors with the Qatari flag, as easy as it sounds. So they're gonna go here. And this is gonna be the hand rest, and this is where you're gonna see our secret logo. It has something to do with the country. So they already chose the color. It's gonna be burgundy. That's the only thing that we can say. And now let's start the process. Okay, so now we're finished, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna take them now. Thank you, Elzam. We're gonna take them now to Car Pro so we can put them on the headrest and the other sneak peek that you're gonna see in the custom show. We will see you again for the t-shirt. Thank you very much. We're gonna put their Instagram below. Go check them out.